Hello everyone, welcome to a new unclogging video. Today we are visiting a complaint site where we have been found that a passage of a street is full with sewage overflow. A sloppy construction has been made in front of their houses. I don't know what we call this, which is illegal, but due to that construction the passage of the street become very less and narrow. We have already been found that this span is blocked, so that is why staff is working at this manhole to unclog the sewer line. The level of sewage in this manhole is down, that is why this span is blocked, and we are trying to unclog the sewer line by using of steel bar. Oh my god, a school kid is passing through this overflow portion. Now he is in trouble because the construction in front of the houses is very slopey. Pedestrians cannot walk from that portion because it's very slopey and they can fall in this sewage overflow. That is why bricks has been placed to cross this portion. And finally the kids cross this portion. There is some bubbling in the manhole. You can watch that. Watch that the whole metal rod is now inside the sewer line. Only one ring is left. And the sewer line is going to be functional. Here we go. Now the sewage is going back into the manhole. You can watch that. Now the level of this manhole is also decreasing and the overflow vanished. You can watch how the overflow has gone back into the manhole. Now the staff is removing the waste material from this manhole so that the sewer line can be functional for a long time. We call it the desilting of manholes. Today staff is in a good mood, so that is why on the request of a resident they started to wash the overflowed portion. A donkey cart is passing from here. Maybe he's selling something. Now the other person is also helping him to clean the street and they are washing the street. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.